Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this is going to be another honest review video, and this one's going to be on the Chemical Guys Woolly Mammoth Microfiber drying towel. So I'm going to go ahead and use this, as I never used it. I've always wanted to try it. I picked it up for $24.99. Actually, I got a little bit of a discount at Decals Garage in Fresno. Shout out to the guys over there hooking me up. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and wash my daily out there right now. And then I'll get back to you once I have it actually sitting in here nice and wet so we can try it out. Alright guys, so here we are. We have the Woolly Mammoth Microfiber drying towel. We're pulling it out right now, brand spanking new. It's 36 by 25 inches, so there you are. For you guys who want to know the actual size of it, and here we go. Okay, so basically you're supposed to just place it on the flat surface like that and just kind of run it through. That way it picks up. It's supposed to basically absorb all that water. And let's see if we have it. Pull it from this way. Okay. Okay, so there you have it. You can actually see the difference of where it's dry and where it's not dry. I'm gonna go ahead and try to do the rest of the hood at least. But as you guys can see, like always out here in California, it's super hot. So I don't want to leave all this water all over the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. Alright guys, so right now I'm kind of just doing it here and there on these bigger surfaces where the water, especially like on the roof and the hood and everything. And honestly, I don't know if I'm just not doing it right or what I'm doing wrong. I'll go ahead and look at the paper or the instructions I guess again to see if I'm doing something wrong. But it's still kind of leaving a little bit wet. You know, it's not dry to the touch. It's overall dry to the touch, but there's still, you know, like a little bit of water and you can definitely feel it. But it's not super wet. Obviously it's actually doing a good job, but it's just not doing the job that I was kind of expecting and hoping for. But let's go ahead and keep giving it a couple tries and go ahead and tell you guys again my honest review at the end of it. Okay, so that was the laying down method, and I'm gonna go ahead and just do like a regular wiping method, see how it works out. And I mean, this is most likely 100% probably because it's new, but something that I'm really not liking about this right now is the fact that it's leaving all these little like lint, I guess you could say, little pieces of microfiber everywhere of the actual towel. I'm trying to zoom into it. Yeah. You can actually see a couple of them, as well as when I did over here on the hood, it was doing the same thing. You can actually see all of them. See if I can get in a nice angle. But other than that, I mean, take a second to admire this Daily's reflection. Honestly, really good. It's 2009, so 10 years old, and it's still looking pretty good. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and just basically finish up drying the car, and then I'll get back to you with the honest review. Alright guys, so now that it's all done, it's all cleaned up, as you guys can actually go ahead and see. Looks really good. The honeydew soap, I love it. Still nothing but great things to say about it. And then I went ahead and dried up the wheels with the blower. Great blower, really enjoy it for the wheels. I used to use the compressor over there like a lot of people, but like a lot of people, we hate the freaking, basically how the hard tubing around for the compressor kind of hits your car and then it can leave little scratches everywhere, and it's just not a good thing to have around your car. So I really like how this one has the rubber fitting right here, the rubber ending, as well as you just hook it up with the extension cord around the car and you're good to go. But to end this review off with the woolly mammoth towel, I'm gonna go ahead and say no. Honestly, it's $25. I got it at one of their deals that they were having, so I picked it up just to give you guys a good review. And overall, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and say if you were to pick between buying, you know, basically a 16-ounce bottle of soap, or you're gonna go ahead and try to pick up the woolly mammoth, I'll go ahead and say pick up some more soap, because honestly this was not a good item to use. It doesn't really do the job. I just use a ShamWow like a lot of people, and honestly this does a way better job than this. But I mean, their whole selling point is it's supposed to prevent scratches that these can cause apparently. So unfortunately this is actually the first item that I've actually reviewed that I didn't actually really like, to be honest. All the other items that I reviewed have been really good items that I've really continued to like and enjoy and keep using them. This woolly mammoth, I'm probably not going to use it ever again. Probably just use it as a regular microfiber towel. But that's about it, because again, it just left all this residue all over the car, as well as it doesn't really pick up the water very good. And this does way better and a lot quicker. So without further ado, that's my end of the review. You guys can go ahead and try it out if you want. It's $25, but like I said, if you were coming up to $25 to spend on soap or the woolly mammoth, I would pick the soap any day. So without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace out, guys.